So today we are taking a closer look and reviewing this laser level that the company sent to me. This is the full package when it comes to a laser level setup. You can see it comes in this very nice case that keeps everything nice and organized, has a little handle up top here. You can go through and zip up and zip down, and then it has a big handle here, which is really nice so you can keep everything together because this does come with quite a bit in here. So let me kind of run through what this thing can do and what's inside of here. So inside of here, you have the actual level itself. You have the horizontal line settings and the vertical line settings that I'll be showing you how to use in just a minute. You can see this can mount to any kind of tripod. It kind of has that universal tripod mount there, but it does come with a small little tripod here. These you can go through and adjust and make slightly taller or shorter. That they can go through and stand on there, and it does also come with a little stand. So this allows you to go through and adjust the height on this stand as well. This basically you can go through and stand on there like that. So you do have the stand and the tripod that you could go through and utilize. The tripod does fit on the stand as well if you wanted to go through and have even more height there. Now on top of that, it does come with a metal mounted tripod. This is really handy because it comes with this little plate, so you can mount this plate anywhere and then you can use this tripod to go through and stick it there. And this thing is really powerful. You can see you can go through and stick the tripod right there, and that will go through and adjust. You can adjust it up and down. This is really handy if there's somewhere where you wanted to use this to mount it on metal basically. So you have all of those options when it comes to utilizing this tripod. Another good thing about this is that it does also come with 2 batteries. So this is battery operated. You can see this is what the batteries look like, and it does have the charger for the batteries here. So you can have one that's always being charged and then the other one that you are currently using with this machine. Now let me show you kind of how this thing works. I'm gonna go through and put this up here, put this on here, just screw it on. So we have a little bit more things to adjust and show you kind of what this thing can do. So when we're looking at this laser level, the first thing that we want to do is grab one of these batteries right here and then insert it to the side, just like that. And then there's a lot of different settings that we have here. So this will go through and turn on the actual level. And you can see it's gonna beep at you at first, and that's making sure that it is on a level surface. You can see when I pick it up, it's gonna beep at me and kind of get mad because it wants to let me know that, hey, you're not on a level surface. This is gonna look like crap if you're looking to hang a picture or something along those lines. Now you can see here for a level like this, what's nice is that you can go through and you can adjust it any kind of way. The lines are going all the way around the room. They're basically a full 360 view on the lines. And if you wanted to adjust anything, you can see here whenever I go through and it gives me it beeps at you. But you can see here, it's kind of hard to see in this lighting, but there is an H button right here. There is a power button and there's a V button. The H button is for your horizontal lines. So if you go through and click that, you'll see that now I'm getting 2 lines coming horizontally. Or if I click it again, you can see that the horizontal lines go away. And then 1 line, 2 lines, or the high line, and then they go away. This is helpful because, like as you can see here, I have these paintings or these frames here. So if I wanted to make sure that those were level, I can go through, and I'm on a standing desk, so I can go through and kind of adjust this a little bit. You can either use the tripod to get a little bit higher, or you can go through and do this. You can see that right now, get it right to that spot. You can see right now, this is perfect for identifying where, like hanging pictures, doing tile, anything like that. You can see that these 2 pictures are actually very straight, which is really nice. So having something like that really helps out with those. Now on top of that, you do have the vertical settings, so you can go through and also adjust this so that it's right there, and you can see that to make sure that it is also hung vertically straight for those frames. And then if I wanted 2 lines, I can click this again, and you can see there is the other line coming across, is vertically going this way. So there's lots of lines with this thing that you can go through and do. On top of that, you can, if you click this power button again, it will dim the light a little bit. And if you click it again, it will flash for you if you needed to utilize that setting. So all sorts of different things that you can do with this laser level. Very handy to have if you are looking to hang anything or want to make sure that something looks good on your wall, your floor, anything along those lines. Would definitely recommend a laser level like this, especially now that I'm done with it. I can go through and put it in the case and keep it all organized and keep everything in one spot when I need it.